Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do.
This is what you call a on the moment vlog. So basically, me and my virgin Naki, you've seen him on the vlogs before. We ran some errands. Now we're just going to get some jerk chicken to finish the day off. There's this spot I've been wanting to try for some time, and I actually saw where they got featured by the Munchies the other day on YouTube, so that made me want to go there even more. So that's where we're heading. Yeah man, Munchies and thing. Them did the for Munchies. Nice little video them did them, you know. So we're heading there now. Apparently it's one of the best spots to get jerk chicken in Kingston. So we're going to check that out and see. You know, see how we rate them. Yo, traffic around this way rough, you know. Traffic around this way always rough. Hopefully we beat round this up on the road this up. Hopefully we beat crowd still. Oh, chilling. I wonder if we take you so and walk go down. No, sir. Yeah. I don't tell you, say I don't the traffic already for go down still, but come back up it now go so bad. Feelings with the swing like Django Lover. I fool them man, I want team. This is where we're coming back right here, so like a truck in my driving, forget to say a bike. Same thing when you say life saver them man. Eh? Eh. The boss them do it on time too, you know. Like nah catch up. The boss spot it from a mile and say watch out. Dirty. Where is it? Smoke a kill you.
Show me now hold it upside down.
Eh?
Show me now hold it upside down.
No.
In 2011, Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms and may very well be in conflict with that charter. So we are asking for a review
Yeah, I made them up here, about you.
Eh?
of the correction
I made them up about being with me here.
Yeah.
for someone who is fleeing
Commissioner of Income. A 31-year-old Jamaican man allegedly defrauded seniors of more than $5 million US. He extradited to the United States to answer to lottery scams. Adrian Lawrence, otherwise called the Minister, was scheduled to appear in New York federal court today on the 6-count indictment, charging with
Oh, and the soup? What kind of soup?
Chicken and chicken was ready.
Eh?
Chicken and chicken.
You're not ready? Oh. A night time phone the crowd forward.
Yeah man, about 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock the crowd reach. A little smoke I heard from me.
Pepper and ketchup.
Yeah man. Oh wait. One of them. You want pepper and ketchup? Just ketchup. But one of them alone you put pepper on.
Pepper all one.
No man, you can put more pepper on than that man. I don't mind the pepper, you know. Yeah, put ketchup now.
Ketchup?
Yeah, I don't want the pepper on fair one.
Being offered by the ministry to peacefully
Yo, stop the foolishness there thing I Yo. Yeah man, we can cut out that still.
to inform citizens about the services and how they can do.
Eh?
However, he said the team does not get enough referrals.
Yeah, which one of them are with the pageant? That one, yeah?
Yeah. You want the other one?
Hmm? No, man, yeah. Okay. Yeah, eat it. Give me one more. Carry one more. Nah, I like chicken them smell good though, Nally.
Another public sector
Two orange.
agreed to the government.
We get with chicken. I will leave it. So far, you did park, dog. We beat the crowd, the man said 8 o'clock the crowd start. I'm back in my dorm room and going to test the chicken. So, this is the one without the pepper. So let me just put that to the side for now. Woo. I came in just now, guys, and I smelled my shirt, and it's like the smoke from the jerk just it's like it's a part of my shirt at this point. My shirt smells so good. So let's go into dig in. We're going to test it and see if it's really that good. Let me show you guys. So it's customary here in Jamaica that if you buy jerk chicken, you get it with some form of bread or starch or fried breadfruit, anything of the sort. So yeah, this bread here, the bread would have soaked up all of that gravy and pepper sauce from the jerk. It's just sitting in the bread now. But here is the part. Here is what we've been waiting for, the jerk chicken. A part of the breast here. Breast is kind of like the hardest part of jerk chicken to get good because it will dry out. So I'm going to test this, and if this is good, that means that the thigh my mouth actually around water. It smells so good. So yeah, all right guys, so here we go. Oh, yo guys, this is so good. I'm not sure how long they made it marinate for, but trust me, that piece of breast that I had just now was absolutely delicious. It was so good. So let me get in again. Let me get this. Yeah, if you're not eating jerk chicken with your hand, are you really eating jerk chicken? Look at this. Oh my word. You can see the seasoning in between, so it looks like they stuffed the seasonings under the skin there, which is actually a technique that not everybody does. So they stuffed it in the meat. Let me try this. Yeah, cut this. Yo, so good. Look at the bread. Let me get this of the bread. Okay. I was going to say that the pepper sauce was a bit disappointing, but taste it just now and it's absolutely delicious. It's not, it does add a little spice to the jerk chicken, but it's not overbearing. It's actually more of a flavorful pepper sauce. It's more of a flavor than it is for actual spice. Look at that seasoning right there. I'm turn over this thigh here. Oh, look at that. The thigh section, you can expect that to be juicy and nice because that's the thigh. But look at the breast section. Let me see. I don't want too much light. Look at the breast section. You can still see how juicy that is. Oh my word, this is so. See if I can get a thumbnail. Woo. I wish I got more of the pepper sauce and probably a next slice of bread. Whoa. Look, here's the same thing I was explaining just now. You see in between, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but in between the chicken here, they have the seasonings. In between the chicken, so they cut the chicken and put the seasoning in between while it's marinated. The herbs and spices that they use, they add herbs in between before putting it on the grill, which just adds to the intensity of the jerk flavors. You know, you have your scallion, your thyme, your pimento, things that give jerk that unique taste that we all love. I'm going to finish this off now. So, oh, look at that. Love, guys. Alright, guys, so Nakeem test me. Let's bet he's talking about the jerk chicken.
Dog. It's not going with nothing, brother. The jerk chicken is soft, brother. Not going with nothing. Tastes fresh.
Yo, I don't know what him a talk about, but my piece, this is good. I don't know what he's talking about. So that was about a month ago that I shot that video. Just finished editing now. The verdict on the chicken is it was really good. It was good from what I remember. I've had better, but it was executed very well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Remember to leave a like, drop a comment, and let me know where is our next good jerk chicken or jerk pork spot. I'll definitely check it out. Thank you guys as always for the support. Remember, in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent.
Nothing, yeah.